Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Amy HOYT. A surprise ending to a Bay County murder trial. The jury could not reach a verdict in the Abel Ortiz case. It ended in a mistrial. As News 13's Thomas Schultz tells us, even though Ortiz had reportedly admitted to shooting 31-year-old Ed Ross, the jury couldn't reach a consensus.
When we go inside, not even 5-10 minutes passed when a whole bunch of gunshots went off.
Abel Ortiz's teacher said he told her that he shot and killed Ed Ross. He also confessed to Bay County Sheriff's officials and his co-conspirator. That led prosecutors to urge the jury to find Ortiz guilty of first-degree murder.
Go back, use your common sense, and come back with the only true and just verdict. This defendant is guilty as charged of felony murder and attempted robbery.
Defense attorney Matt Meredith, however, urged the jury to not find Ortiz guilty. He says there was a lack of physical evidence that he was involved in the shooting.
The only true verdict that you can render in this case is supported by the facts and the law. It's not guilty.
But after almost 5 hours of deliberation, the jury could not reach a verdict.
At this time, then, I've had a chance to discuss this with the state and the defense. At this time, a mistrial will be declared.
Alleged getaway driver George Hernandez says that Ortiz told him he killed Ross as they were driving away from the shooting.
That's when he was like, I think I killed him, and like basically he called him a body.
According to Hernandez, another co-conspirator, Andre Bivens, had chastised Ortiz for shooting too many times. Evidence showed 11 bullets fired from Ortiz's .22 caliber handgun.
He said they overkilled the man, they overshot him. Ortiz. Okay, he said Ortiz shot like a circus. He like, if he was gonna do that to the cracker, I should just finish them myself.
Despite the witness testimony, the 12-member jury could not unanimously agree to a verdict and a mistrial was called. In Panama City, Thomas Schultz, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Jury selection for Ortiz's new trial is scheduled for April 18th.